All right, about 6 months and several days later, here we are. This side over here was done with the Sylvania product. This side over here was done with the Meguiar spray-on product. In the beginning, clarity-wise, this had a little bit of an edge, in my opinion. And then after a day or so, this one a little more of an edge. And the reason is, I think because the spray, when it went on wet, it had more clarity, but after 24 hours of drying and curing, this had a little more edge on clarity. This product was very easy to install because it's a rattle can, it's a spray-on product, whereas the Meguiar's a little more complex. You had to be very careful applying that clear coat. So 6 months later, I think they both perform well, but I would put an edge on the Sylvania product here. Again, the clarity here is just a notch better than the Meguiar's. So there it is, 6 months later. I think it would be fair to come back 1 year later to see how they hold up, but there it is 6 months later. Now I'll go to a close-up. Here's a close-up of the Sylvania and a close-up of the Meguiar's spray-on. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.